Ulefone WP33 Ultra versus the Oukitel WP33 Pro. Which of these two 5G rugged phones pack the best specs? In this video, we are going to find out. So without further ado, let's compare the specs of both devices. So these are the top features of both devices compared side by side. What do you guys think about both devices? Which do you think pack the best specs in your opinion? Feel free to share in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.